How was it like working with them just as actors and seeing their performances?
It was terrible working with Rachel Spencer Hewitt. She's just around the corner there.
I heard that.
Working with Rachel Spencer Hewitt, who plays Atty, was amazing. She's just a consummate professional and a really talented actress, and I was fortunate enough to have a little time with her before shooting for some rehearsal to kind of work on our chemistry, which we didn't have to work on very hard because A, she's beautiful, and B, she's very talented. Working with David Thomas Jenkins, it's funny, we all have 3 names. Working with David Thomas Jenkins was a hoot. When I first met him, I was like, oh my god, they hired Spicoli. He had long surfer hair and every other word was dude. But that's a testament to his acting chops, because he is wonderful, and it was a real pleasure to work with him. He was always focused and just, yeah, super talented.